Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 4 power 5 plus 4 power 5 plus 4 power 5 plus 4 power 5 by 2 power 5 plus 2 power 5 is equals to 2 power x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So if I'll take 4 power 5 as common from the numerator, so what is left? Similarly 2 power 5 from denominator. So 4 power 5 times 4 by 2 power 5 times 2 is equals to 2 power x. Now we can cancel out this 2 times. So 4 power 5, we can write it as 4 as 2 square. Whole power 5 times 2 by 2 power 5 is equals to 2 power x. According to exponent rule, a power m power n is equals to a power mn or a power n power n. So it becomes 2 power 10 times 2 power 1 by 2 power 5 is equals to 2 power x. According to exponent rule, x power m times y power x power n, we can write it as x power m plus n. So 2 power 10 plus 1 by 2 power 5 is equals to 2 power x. So 2 power 11 by 2 power 5 is equals to 2 power x. Another exponent rule, x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So 2 power 11 minus 5 is equals to 2 power x. 2 power 6 is equals to 2 power x. If we compare both sides, the value of x is 6. I hope you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.